Turning yourself into a PlayStation video game character is the latest trend, and I'm going to show you how to do it in Playground in a few simple steps. First thing you want to do is head over to playground.com/face. Up on the top right corner, click on Get Started for free. You will require a Google account. Simply log in with your Google account, and then you'll be brought into this interface. Now, as you can see, there's an example of Arnold Schwarzenegger, the governor, and we have a few styles here. So firstly, let's select video game as a style. Now you have to upload your image. Simply click on this button here, or drag it in, and in the prompt section you want to type in your prompt. Now keep it very simple. In this prompt I just have a person wearing a hoodie, baseball cap, PS2 PlayStation, and a city background. We'll go ahead and click generate, and here is the generated image. Here's another example of using the 3D filter. And for your entertainment pleasure, here's myself in my hoodie, and I turned myself into an Assassin's Creed character using the 3D filter. If you're on the free tier, you get 5 free a month. If you're a pro or turbo subscriber, it's currently unlimited. As always, let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you want to see more styles. Until the next video, my friends, this is Playground.